Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think that we are going to end up continuing the uptrend, most likely making like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's either going to be a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Most likely end up taking out these highs. Either scenario, whether it's an A or whether it's a 1, definitely at this point does not matter to me, because either way I'm going to be looking for longs primarily on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this move up, which I think is a 1. I think this is an A, irregular top for the B, or an irregular wave B, and we're most likely now in a wave C, which I think the wave C will continue down more, probably to one of them 2 Fibonacci levels before it ends this correction, most likely ending up going to continuing the uptrend for a wave 3, eventually making a wave 4 and a wave 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely no reason to think this downtrend is over. It has kind of been drifting up, but it looks very corrective. I still think that this is more likely to continue down. I think the 78 or the 100% area are going to be the two most likely areas for this to end a wave C, making a pulse move up, take out structure, and end up continuing the uptrend. Probably the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it is definitely looking a little corrective to the downside, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did pop up one more time. But as long as it continues to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, I'm just going to continue to look for shorts on the shorter time frames. If there's no break of structure to the upside, then the trend is definitely still down for me, and I'm definitely going to still be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, it's definitely looking very corrective, overlapping right here. This whole thing right here is very, very overlapping, which does make you think that it is going to try to maybe pop up one more time. But until it actually does start to go up and take out some structure to the upside, I am definitely only looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So we already have what looks like an A, B, C right here. Let me clear this out. We already have what looks like an A, B, C. We already have a Fibonacci bounce. So I really wouldn't be surprised if this is like a 1 and maybe this is just kind of a very corrective wave 2, and then it goes down and makes that wave 3. Like I said, the trend is definitely down on the higher time frames, so I am primarily going to just continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.